What is up, guys? This is Mr. Totally Random coming back at you with another video, and today I'm going to do 100 pistols non-stop. If you do not know what pistols are, they are one-leg squats. I'm going to do 100 on both legs non-stop at the same exact time. I'm going to be rotating non-stop. If I stop, I won't even upload this video. Let's see if I can complete this challenge. Let's see if I can pull it off. I'm in for one hell of a workout today. Alright guys, I'm going to do 100 one-leg squats non-stop. Non-stop. I'm going to rotate. One on this leg, one on this leg. You guys get it. Ooh, I'm in for a workout. Alright, let's do this. There's no editing this video. Once I start, that's it, guys. I only get one shot at this because there's not no way in hell I'm gonna be able to do this again today. I'll be tired, so I get one chance. Get on some music right here. Oh, it's going to be tough. That's one. That's two. That's three. Ah. How many was that?
That's 20.
Ooh, I still got a little 80 more. Don't stop till you get enough.
You know, I was wondering if you could keep them up because the force, it's got a lot of power, and it makes me feel like it makes me feel like that.
Fire and prep. What was that?
33.
Fire, bro. I wish I could stop. But I can't stop. I can't stop! I'm so gassed. So I'm not gonna stop.
40.
Son of a bitch.
$49. 50, but I'm counting each one as one. You do two, I count it as one. So really you did 100 of them.
I did 100.
51.
My goodness, guys.
52.
I've never been so tired in my life. Woo! This is tough, guys. Trying this at home. This ain't no joke. This is tough. Non-stop, bro. It's tough. Ah. Everyone's there.
67, 68. 69.
Oh my goodness.
70.
100. I'm never gonna do this.
75.
I'm tired, man. Yeah.
80.
3 more. My goodness. Ooh. 18 more.
Push it.
Trying to, bro. Oh my goodness.
Ten more. 10 more, man.
I did it. Oh my goodness. 5 more?
Yeah. Did it.
Over 100 right there. A little bit more. I'm done. Guys,
Yeah.
don't stop until you get enough. All right, guys, that was it right there. 100 pistols, 100 one-leg squats, guys. Over 100 of them. Oh my goodness, guys, my legs are like jello right now. Not even kidding, guys. That is one hell of a workout. Woo! I'm gonna be feeling that one for the next few days. But hell, I feel it right now. But if you enjoyed that video, please give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel because there will be more videos in the near future. Random video, guys, random ones. That's it.